Now let's go over how to set up your new QuickBooks online account. I'm even going to show you how to get my discount. First, I want to emphasize how important it is for this course that you start from scratch. Cleaning up and picking through a half setup QBO file will leave you lost. Starting from scratch is going to help you get the most out of this course. Even if you're starting in December and want to bring in the entire year of transactions, it can be done. You're going to start from scratch with a new account, and I will walk you through how to set it up and bring everything you need in for your accurate books. Now let's talk about QBO pricing and how to get my discount. You may recall on the QuickBooks website that they have a few different offers for pricing. We know we're going to be moving forward with a simple start, so this is $25 a month. So basically you have three options here. Option 1 gives you 30 days free, which equates to saving $25. Option 2 gives you 50% off for 3 months, so that'd be about $12.50 for 3 months. Then you would go to normal pricing. That saves you $37.50. Option 3 is my discount. You'll get 30% off your first 12 months, which is a $90 savings. The first two options you can do directly through the QuickBooks online website, but if you want my discount, I'm going to walk you through how to do that next. Real quick, I just want to give you an understanding of how this process works. First, I have a partnership with the Complete Business Group, who's a third-party Intuit reseller. This allows me to get and share my 30% discount with you. There is a 3-step process to get your new file set up. You'll need to place the order on their website, which I'll walk you through in a moment. Once you submit your order, you and I will receive an email confirming your order immediately. Then within 24 to 48 hours, you and I will both receive another email letting us know your new account is set up and that you can log in. Okay, let's walk through the order process together. You'll find the link below this video and inside your downloadable course resource sheet. You'll know you're in the right place when you land because you'll see the Bastion Accounting logo. You'll then scroll down to the Place Orders area. Click on the top option, QuickBooks Software and Hosting Options, to expand the list. In the first box, select QuickBooks Online. Next box, select No. You will not be converting from desktop. Remember, we talked about that. We're starting from scratch. Your product desired will be a QBO Simple Start. You'll pick how many users here. Simple Start only comes with one. If you want more, you'll need to upgrade. So we'll leave this set at 1. Next, you have the option to pay monthly or annually. You can see your price below will adjust based on your selection. This is monthly, this is annually. You can see here that if you decide to upgrade, you will lose the discount, but Simple Start is perfect for a photographer. You won't need to upgrade, so don't let that throw you off. And if you want to add an accountant to this, that does not count as a user. Accounting firms can be added without counting as a user, so you only need yourself to be on the file. Next, you're going to select the email address you want to be your login. Then you'll fill in your customer details. These are very self-explanatory fields. Then fill in your billing address, also a little self-explanatory. Then you need to enter your payment information. Be sure to click the box to agree to have Intuit charge you. Next, you have some options. Leave these blank here. You can add QuickBooks payments inside the app later. I'll walk you through that in this program, as well as payroll. I encourage you to use Gusto, another app for payroll, but we'll talk about both later on in this program. So leave these blank for now. In the last section, be sure to see Bastion Accounting and Bookkeeping, along with my first and last name, Tiffany Bastion, so that you get my discount. The last option is to add an email address. This person will get a copy of your order. I already get a copy of your order, and you will as well via email. So if there's someone else besides myself and yourself that you would like to get that, you can add that email address here. But for most people, this will be blank. You have an option field here for any comments or questions. Now you'll wait for 24 to 48 hours, many times it's only a few hours, to get the email letting you know your file is set up and ready to go. You can totally watch ahead to get an idea of what setup looks like while you're waiting for your file to get created. Okay, in the next lesson, we'll start getting your new QBO file all set up. See you there.